Orca Inventory really has an array of features that can help you with your restaurant management. This is the front page, and when you log in, you can access this particular website or this app from any computer and any browser anywhere in the world. So you can basically be at the beach and get insights into how your business is running. And we're showing this from the current week. You can also view it by the current month or year to date. So when we're looking at this graph, we're really seeing projected sales, right, in front of us for the week, and we see actual sales that automatically get brought in from our POS behind us. And the red here is a spend with all of our vendors. And with this information, we have a really good estimate of what our current week's food and beverage cost is going to be, profit, expenses, and sales. And if you scroll down here, you can also see what you're spending by category. So again, this is like a window into your business. Let's scroll up and see what else we can get from Orca. So you can just jump into one of your modules if you're the chef or you're the beverage manager. QSRs, we combine these two into one. So we're going to click enter. And now we're on a take inventory page. Now you can access this inventory page either from the website or from a dedicated iPad app. And this app works completely offline. No Wi-Fi is needed until you press save. So you can go inside your dry storage or your freezer location, not have to worry about Wi-Fi, open up the room, and just take the inventory. And you can inventory two ways, by the each or the case. It's up to you. This page is so important because of two reasons. One, it's on the iPad, so you can open this room, organize the order of the products. So basically you want to drag and drop the order of the products to match the location. That way you simply go from left to right and you can take inventory very, very quickly. Another reason why this page is important is because we audit every count someone does. So if you accidentally put 100 instead of 10, we would alert you on that and flag it. In another situation, if our employee accidentally puts the wrong amount in, you would be alerted of that as well. So step one, take an inventory. Step two, let's create a budget. So click create a budget. The budget shows you how you're trending year over year. This particular restaurant is doing 2.81% greater than last year. If I scroll down, this is the projected sales for the week. And all the user needs to do is take this button and press it. It'll take last year's sales brought in automatically from the POS. It'll factor how you're trending year over year, and it'll immediately come up with this projected sale. Now this also takes into account the weather. This is a dev site, but on the main site you would see not only if it was raining or sunny last year as well as what's projected for this year, but you would also see the temperatures. And that actually would play into this projection here. So if it rained last year on a Tuesday and it's going to be sunny this Tuesday, this number will automatically adjust based on how weather affects your business and your zip code. So that's it. We make a simple budget. Now we know how much money we're going to do this week in sales. Now we know how much we can spend. So let's go ahead and place an order. You can place an order three different ways. You can just simply click on the vendor that you want to order from, and you can order what you need. Each section is broken down by general ledger category and subcategories. Another way we can do this is if we took an inventory, or if we don't have time to take an inventory and we clicked theoretical, meaning what should theoretically be on hand today based on the product sold reports from the POS, we can just order to par from every single vendor all in one click. But what does order to par mean? This means that every single day we're going to order the same amount regardless if it's the weekend, if it's raining, if events are coming up, depending on the time of year. So we created IntelliOrder. This is the most accurate ordering algorithm that exists today. It will cut the fat out of your ordering, and it will also make sure that you never run out of product again. So you would click this button, select how long the product needs to last for, click submit, and every single product from every single vendor will be mathematically ordered as accurately as possible. And it's not just for food. This can be chemicals, napkins, straws. It's for any product that you need it for. Next step would be the invoice. So click invoice. Now you don't need to order on Orca and you don't need to create a budget, though it's recommended. All we really need to control inventory is a starting inventory, the invoices, and an ending inventory. With that, we can pretty much show you anything you want to improve on your business. For invoices when you do order from Orca or when we're connected to EDI to your vendor, such as Cisco, it'll automatically import all of the invoices for you on your behalf. So there's no work to be done because we will automatically take this Cisco order. We will automatically assign the invoice number from the EDI or electronic data interchange. We will automatically adjust all prices. We will automatically adjust all order amounts and catch weights. So this invoice will be completely finished. We even enter in tax and credit. So now we're done, but some special things has happened. One, all of our inventory has automatically been updated in the system. And two, if any price changes should occur, because these items are connected to my recipes, all of my recipes are automatically getting adjusted. So let's go to the recipe section. So this is the recipe section, and this is your items that you sell on your POS. We automatically import those items from your POS. So all you need to do is assign which inventory item and how much of it will go with that menu item. Once that's done, the total cost, the sale price, your food cost, and your profit will always be up to date, because whether you change the selling price on your POS or the prices change for the products that you're purchasing, we will always update it for you automatically. In addition, whenever this cost increases, you will see an arrow that shows you the percent of increase that this particular item has taken since you've created it, so you can make intelligent decisions about your food costing. Once your recipes are finished and you've taken your inventory and those invoices have come in, now we can really show you the power of Orca. We're going to go to financial statements. We're going to choose any dates that we'd like, and we're going to click View Statement. This is a very important statement because it's showing you theoretical cost and actual cost and the difference between the two. For instance, your actual food cost is $27.82, but had you ran your restaurant accurately according to your recipes, you could have ran a $19.52, which is a difference of 8.29%. That's extremely high. On average, you should see nothing more than 1.5%. And as you can see over here, that difference is $2,040. So that's a lot of money that just walked out the door. So what do we do and how do we improve on this? Before I show you that, let's just finish this report. All of the expenses are broken down by geo category. We're including refunds, keg deposits, taxes, and also if you were to transfer in or out anything to stores or into modules such as food and beverage. We also will show you your starting inventory dollar amount and your ending inventory dollar amount. We will show you what you spent with each vendor and all the invoices between that period of time and who approved them. If it was automatically done via EDI or our electronic connection to your vendor, it would say auto approved. You can open up these invoices and see all the GL categories and all the line items as well. And if you're connected to QuickBooks, you can just click Export and it would go straight into QuickBooks. No work required for entering bills into QuickBooks. If you're connected to Bill.com, you can export a Bill.com PDF and email this PDF to enter in your invoice. Again, no manual entry on your part. Now, let's get back to controlling our business. So we see the difference is 8.29, but how do we improve on it? Well, we're going to go and click Loss Statement. And this brings up those same two dates. We're going to click Run Loss Statement. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see exactly what's costing me the most. So in liquor, we have $841 walking out the door. That's a lot of money, so I'm going to click Liquor. Now we see the list of all the different items and which ones are costing us the most. It looks like it's tequila. And keep in mind, this could be meat, fish, so on and so forth. This is just an example. And as I was clicking the categories, it's automatically filtering the item list. So we can see Patron Silver is our worst item in this particular category. So we used 16.10 bottles. We only sold 13.95, which means that we're 2.15 short. And that cost us $95.94. That's a lot of money when you start adding this up. So now I know what inventory items are causing me the biggest issues, and I just need to go fix them to make a lot more money. Also in this report, we put your product sold history from your POS online. You can organize it by least amount sold or most amount sold, as well as dollar amount, and even the cost, which is the food cost. When we click top menu items, this shows us the top 20 sold and the top 20 sale. We also have many other features on Orca, such as crediting, transfer tracking, usages, other various reports too. And in order to learn more, just go to orcainventory.com and click this button to schedule a live demo. We will reach out immediately, set up a demo for you so you can ask any questions that you'd like. Thank you very much for your time.